ANENG A3008 Digital Multimeter Auto Intelligent Sensor Pen Tester 6000 counts N. The ANENG A3008 Digital Multimeter is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable multimeter. It features a large LCD display that makes it easy to read, and it has a variety of functions that make it suitable for a wide range of tasks. The A3008 has a maximum voltage measurement of 600 volts, a maximum current measurement of 10 A, and a maximum resistance measurement of 20 megaohms. It also has a frequency measurement function, a duty cycle measurement function, and a temperature measurement function. The A3008 is equipped with an auto-ranging function that automatically selects the correct range for the measurement being taken. This makes it easy to use, even for beginners. The multimeter also has a backlight that makes it easy to read in low light conditions. The A3008 is a well-built multimeter that is made from durable materials. It is also very compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Here are some of the pros and cons of the ANENG A3008 Digital Multimeter. Pros. Large LCD display. Auto ranging function. Backlight. Compact and lightweight. Affordable. Cons. No temperature probe included. Not as accurate as some other multimeters. Overall, the ANENG A3008 Digital Multimeter is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable multimeter. It is easy to use, has a variety of functions, and is built to last. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. ANENG A3008 Digital Multimeter User Manual. https www.aneng.com/A3008_user_manual.pdf. ANENG A3008 Digital Multimeter Review. https www.digitalmultimeterguide.com/aneng-A3008-digital-multimeter-review/